building the 3D Experience Center of Excellence. Today, every business needs to digitally transform their products and in so doing, their business. The 4IR starts with disruptive products. Efficiency of ideation, design, production, service, and recycling is anchored in the product lifecycle. And the product come asset collaboration, single source of truth, enterprise platform. Arguably at the forefront of this revolution sits the 3D Experience platform. But as I've said before, so popular is its take-up that the supply of resources demands advanced and intelligent resource models, strategies, and tactics. Utilizing efficiently the skills that exist, upskilling others, defining and delivering best practice can be harnessed via a 3D Experience Center of Excellence, the COE. Today, I am proud and I'm honored to be part of the process of building some of the very first in the world. So, what are they all about? So, the 3D Experience platform. It provides a simple, unified environment for all personnel in an organization to communicate, collaborate, and innovate beyond what can be achieved with traditional software products. The 3D Experience platform provides a simple, unified environment that supports product data and other critical information to be transferred seamlessly between all systems, employees, and trading partners via a single, easy-to-use interface. Powered by the industry solution experiences based on 3D design, analysis, simulation, and intelligence software, the 3D Experience platform is available both on-premise and on the cloud. The role of the COE enables projects to share practices and assets and improves product quality. It provides best practices, knowledge transfer, expertise, experience, guidance, and reusable assets to improve the success of project teams and the enterprises as a whole. In addition, the 3D Experience Center of Excellence supports application development across the life cycle of each initiative, from evaluating projects to providing guidelines, standards, and best practices for application design and implementation. The 3D Experience Center of Excellence is a team of people that are knowledgeable, promote, share, and collaborate on specific focus areas within the Dassault Systèmes application suite across product lifecycle, manufacturing execution, and ultimately into the inbound supply chain. From varied backgrounds, educations, and experiences, they follow developing best practice across the industry, technology, cultural transformation, and implementation with a great passion. It's the individual and collective expertise that they pride themselves on. They focus on utilizing the 3D Experience technology to achieve the business objectives efficiently and effectively. Over time, the COE will be made up of several professional disciplines, either as full or part-time members. So why does it matter? Well, the complexity of a PLM product asset innovation and optimization platform is high. It needs mastering quickly and effectively. Your COE will operate under the digital culture of speed is everything, aka agility. Your success is only possible with the very best people in your team. Forget the virtual teams with varying event agendas, objectives, and targets. Keep it real. Building a COE ensures a drive, a focus, a vision, and an assurance that results will be delivered well. As you begin your most important and most strategic drive to digital transformation, as you outline and define your approach and determine the vision for the future of your COE, it will bring together the best of the best. So how do we get started? Well, it starts, number one, with people. It starts with the most important element of any team, and that's the great people. If you can build a team of passionate, motivated individuals who work well together, most things are just going to slot in relatively easily. Make this your number one priority. Keep them happy. And once the team is in place, you need to invest in them. This can be in the multiple forms, but for sure, ongoing training will need not only the forefront training, but to be kept up all the way through, ensuring everyone is constantly evolving their thinking and abilities and therefore innovation. Keep it personal and build personal development plans, as each one has his or her team and aspirations in place and strategy thinking going. Keep them in touch with the right people who can mentor, guide and inform, introduce them to new ways of cross-industry working. Process. Building the right process is about agreeing the way you are going to execute projects and putting the right methodology in place that is effective and scalable. Today, speed is everything, and fast business wins that create value will both empower the customer's teams and build momentum. And in so doing, this means determining your 3DX COE's terms and definitions, standards and best practices. Third up, technology. Technology and architecture are critical to creating the shared infrastructure and implementation approach, which is the backbone of your PLM, MES and supply chain initiatives. You need to always remain ahead with the proper 3DS technology with a prescriptive set of enterprise best practices and policies from around the domains and the modules. Let's talk the manpower structure. Roles and responsibilities will vary dependent on your future COE structure and budget. However, generally manpower will fall into one of the following four categories. 1. Leadership. As always, executive and senior management sponsorship is required to ensure an ongoing commitment and enterprise-wide buy-in, be that from an executive, IT and business level, together with the 3DX COE manager. The core team, comprising the manager, Dassault System Alliance Manager, Education and Training Manager, Lead Solution Architects, Lead Business Architects, and Lead Infrastructure Architects. This team handles demand and intake from projects. They are tasked with the standardizing of the delivery process and performing the services of the COE. They own and improve best practices and methodologies, enable project team members, deliver R&D projects, and participate in the program/project governance. The extended team is typically made up of part-time resources depending on the size and maturity of the COE. They might include a test lead, infrastructure architect across the platforms and domains, a release manager, performance leader, governance manager, and security consultants. The extended team provides tactical feedback to the core team on ways they can improve delivery. The customer dedicated project teams. They comprise project delivery leadership and resources. The project manager, domain architects, solution, infrastructure and integration architects, domain application and technical consultants, subject matter experts and quality assurance. The project teams manage and drive the projects on the ground. They're responsible for the day-to-day deliverables and scope and delivery project outcomes according to the best practices and methodologies determined by the COE. Managing growth. Funding committed 3DX COE may not be feasible to start with, and I understand that while the confidence and commitment and therefore budget allocation builds. Initially forming a small core team to deliver on certain projects makes sense that can over time grow together with the organization's investment and the COE's perceived value. In this exciting dynamic era of the fourth industrial revolution, as well as the challenging era of business transformation, it starts with a great product and service, and the overall 3D experience functionality provides the ideal enabler. The impact of the 3D Experience COE is becoming vital as part of your core capability, future skills development, academy and best practice scalable business. As Dassault Systèmes continues to deepen and extend its functional capabilities, there is an ever-improving range of capabilities and technologies that need to be leveraged and operationalized in digital speed while guaranteeing best practices, enablement and the reuse within the teams and across the entire enterprise. It's a tall and challenging order that's absolutely necessary to ensure the success of 3D Experience initiatives. In the fourth industrial revolution, the era and the role of the 3D Experience COE is becoming more, not less, important every day.